How to fix SearchUI.exe high CPU usage in Windows. In this video I will show you few solutions to fix the problem. Windows search service is responsible for indexing content, and at times, it might misbehave. Restarting the service can reset its behavior. Malicious software might masquerade as genuine processes. To check your system, scan it with reputable third-party security software or simply employ Microsoft Defender. Choose Microsoft Defender offline scan and click Scan Now. Your computer will immediately restart and begin a deep scan. If that didn't work, ensuring your operating system is updated can resolve various issues, including those that may cause high CPU usage. Microsoft frequently releases updates that address known bugs. If there are optional updates available, install them as well. Restart your computer to implement the changes. Damaged system files can cause erratic behavior, including high CPU usage. Please follow these steps to address this with SFC and DISM scans. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all command, restart your computer and try again, and your problem should be fixed. While updates are meant to improve the system, they can sometimes introduce new issues. If you've noticed the high CPU usage after a recent update, you might consider uninstalling it to see if it resolves the issue. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.